class 12th, elected as a head girl here. I'm studying here since 2021 and Rci has made me a better person as well as a better leader. This wonderful institution has given me various opportunities to grow in various spheres. Now we together take our school at a new height this year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sahil from class 12. I am the head boy here. I am studying here since 2021. This is the best place to learn and grow. I have had a wonderful journey here and it is my last school year. My teachers have always worked for my holistic development. I believe if we have to become successful, we should never give up and never quit. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sonam from class 12. I am the cultural head of our school. My journey is fantastic here. The best thing of our school is that there are various co-cultural activities. My teachers always inspire me. Our school is a good place for education.
I just want to express my views about Rci. Rci, a hub of moral values where your ward can learn moral values as well as cultural values with practical life in a very friendly environment. Thank you.
Hello guys, good morning. I'm teaching in Rci school. I'm PGT Bio. And here we tried our best to enhance the learning based activities, because learning based activities enhance the joy as well as they are long lasting. So I am so proud to be an Rci teacher. Have a good day and come and visit to the Rci school for the best future of your child. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I feel privileged to be the part of this wonderful institution which offers many opportunities for students to learn and grow. At Rci, we are proud of our quality, values and standards.
Our school ensures emotional growth of students along with the intellectual experience. This empowers self-esteem, self-awareness, and self-confidence. Sharing ideas, analyzing situations, and expressing them confidently are the skills which are honed here through experiential learning. We believe in giving strong values along with skills set of wings which may carry them far and wide. We encourage you to come and visit our campus and experience the warmth and enthusiasm. Thank you.